Guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening from wherever you watch from. The person Ethan and he's a mathematician. Say hi to your fans. Alright, let's just go straight to it. Okay, I'm the CEO of QED Tech Services, and we bring to you QED Mathematics. Okay, QED Mathematics is a subsidiary of QED Tech Services, and we are focused to educating students at the junior secondary school level, which is Jss1, and at the senior secondary school level, which is Ss1. The reason why we choose to focus at that level because those classes are the foundational classes, and we believe that if a child understands mathematics at those two levels, the child will no longer need further assistance to go through the other classes. So that is why we encourage parents to subscribe to our classes. Our classes are very simple to understand. We have testimonial, we have parents, we have students that we have assisted, and they are doing pretty well. So I will encourage you to share this video to a person that you think or know that need assistance with mathematics, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you so much, and you will also get value for your money. We're not that expensive, but we believe that what we offer will be of such value to whatever you are paying. Thank you so much, and bye bye for now.